The Hat That Blew Away by Claiborne Collier, Sarah Davis McAllister, Evelise Hall, Zoe Ford, and Ava Wilson. Once upon a time, there was a little girl who was playing in Central Park. Her hat blew off her head.
But then a little bird flew into the hat. He thought it was very cozy inside. When he just got his little bird eyes, a little rabbit hopped in before it was be able to close his eyes. A cat crept in. The bunny thought he looked beautiful. Just when they got settled, the little girl spotted the hat so stretched out.
She saw the animals inside the hat. She ran to her Baba and said, "Can we keep them, please?" But Baba said no.
She got the animals to go back to Central Park. She gave them her hat back. They were nice to her. The animals didn't want to leave her and follow her home.